has two letters, W and H. We all know that W says W and H says but when we put them together, W, H say just kidding! Actually, when we put them together, the H becomes silent. That means that it makes no sound at all. I'm serious! So, even if we throw tiny bananas at H and H gets angry and yells at us, we won't hear anything. Watch! Isn't English just so silly?